Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Yvette here. Okay, I made a long form video because I wanted to show you my process of planting up some new flowers that I purchased. Now, I believe that these flowers are full sun and I bought them to go in a lovely pot that my daughter got me for Mother's Day, and I was waiting to find the perfect flower or perennial, I should say, to plant in it. So I'm going to just let you see me go through the process as a beginning gardener with planting up my flowers and what that looks like for me as a beginning gardener. I created my garden station some time ago where I could be in my garage in the shade so that I could work with plants at my own pace slowly without pouring in sweat. And so I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like and subscribe to my channel. My channel has gone through a transition. At first, I was talking about the first thing that I love, which is clothes and style and giving tips about clothes and style. But I also love flowers. And I used to buy my flowers, but I got to this point in life where I want to grow my own flowers. And so I want you to take that journey with me because I'm doing something else that I love. I'm caring for and planting flowers. So I hope you enjoy this video. And like I said, please like and subscribe and become a part of this journey as I grow flowers so that I can enjoy something that I believe is one of the most beautiful things that God created beyond humanity. Happy gardening. Okay, I came in a little bit closer to show you the spikes on this cactus plant. It is a very beautiful plant, but when you're up close and you can see the root of the plant where the flowers or the leaves actually start, there is a spikiness. So with planting this up, you have to be very careful and try not to get stuck. Oh, but it is a beautiful plant and it flowers nicely.